Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lower your BMW X5 with air suspension. Many owners seek to enhance their vehicle's appearance and driving dynamics. We will explore popular methods, discuss the installation process, and highlight key benefits and considerations. This guide aims to provide clear, actionable information for modifying your X5's ride height. There are two primary ways to lower your X5 air suspension. The first involves installing adjustable lowering links. These clever devices trick the vehicle's height sensors, making the system believe the car is higher than it actually is, thus prompting it to lower. The second method uses specialized software to recalibrate the factory height settings, offering a digital adjustment. Installing lowering links is often a straightforward process, usually taking less than 1 hour, and often does not require removing wheels. For software adjustments, an experienced mechanic can complete the recalibration in about 45 to 60 minutes. Both methods allow for fine-tuning, enabling you to achieve a drop of up to 2.5 inches or more, customizing your X5's look. Lowering your X5 offers several advantages, including a visually appealing, sportier stance, and improved handling dynamics due to a lower center of gravity. However, it is important to consider potential changes to ride comfort, as a significantly lowered vehicle might feel stiffer. Always ensure proper alignment after any suspension modification to maintain tire wear and safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.